Hello, everybody. KVCORE users. It is Corey, your KVCORE coach, and I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys how to create a flyer to promote your listings on KVCORE. It is a really easy tool to use, so I hope you guys follow along with me on your KVCORE, and let's jump right into it. So, I am on the dashboard of my KVCORE. When you log in, this is the screen you will be brought to. And if you scroll over here to the left and expand your toolbar, go down to Marketing and then go to Design Center. Once you're in Design Center, you will see different options that you can choose from, and we're going to go into Print Media. Now, something that I really like about KVCORE is that most of its tools are kind of done for you. They give you at least the shell, and all you have to do is maybe customize, 1 to 3 things to make it just right. And so that's what we're going to do. We're going to pick a style and a content category over here on the left, and then we're going to customize our flyer. Okay, so let's go over here to style. I like the modern style, and we're doing this for a listing promotion. Okay, there's different content category, different styles that you can choose from, and choose the one that you like best. And then I'm going to go to over here on flyer designs because I'm creating a flyer, and you can create different designs, postcards, door hangers, and flyers. So we're going to do flyers. I'm going to go to view all and then select the one that I like best. And let's see. I think I am into the dynamic. So I'm going to click that one. And then it's going to prompt you after it takes you to the flyer customization page to put in your listing. And then once you select it from the drop down, it's going to pretty much just populate your flyer with the photos all in the right spot. And you can take a look. This is the first page. Now over here on the right, you have the option to choose the listing status that is displayed on your flyer. You can click just listed, coming soon, open house, reduced, price reduced, or just sold. Or if you don't like any of those options, go ahead and double click on next to the words you're going to change and change it. House for sale. Okay. Or you can select something like welcome to Withering Heights. So anything catching that you can say about your home, then I would encourage you to put that on your flyer. Okay, so you can double click on each of these little spots. Kind of wait till it turns yellow so that you can see that you're actually editing on that spot. Okay, so once that's done, you're happy there. You see the number of photos you have is 8, and you're like, wait, there's only like 4 photos here. So where's the rest of them? This is a 2-page flyer. So you're gonna scroll up and select page 2. And the rest of them are there, along with the agent information and the bio about this home. So that's where the rest of the photos end up on the second page, as well as your broker information too. And so this is actually a co-listing. So I'm going to put co-agent on the branding information. And it's going to repopulate for me, reload the page, adding in that co-listing agent. And ta-da, there it is. And those are the options that it gives you over here. You got 8 photos. I changed the listing status and then the co-agent for branding. And then now you have actions. If you're okay, let's rewind just a little bit. If you're okay with the pictures, if you are not, One, if you're the listing agent, you can upload, pictures to the MLS. Of course, that is where your KVCORE is linked. So that is where it's getting these photos. So if you don't like any of these photos, hopefully you will go and retake them and or rearrange them. And now how you do that is you select this little edit button here. Wow, there we go. Swap image, crop, edit, or remove the image, okay? So once you select those and get it all organized the way you want, then you can say, okay, I like this, it's great. Now I'm going to download it. And then once you download it, it's gonna pop up this page, download marketing asset. And then you're gonna select which type of PDF you want to download. So you can do with bleed for printing graphics to the edge. This setting is required by most printers such as Express Docs or Canvas size for emailing, printing in-house. So it depends on what you're gonna do with this flyer. I am simply going to post this on my social media and do it that way. So I'm just gonna do with bleed and I'm gonna download. And now let's go look at what that actually looks like. I'm gonna select my downloaded image and voila, this is what it looks like. And I really like the pictures. I like the layout. It's really crisp and clean. And on the second page, it has all the information that I want it to say about the property. And then we have the agents, the listing agents of this listing. So it's very straight to the point, straightforward. I love what it says. And so what am I going to do with this? I would encourage all of you, if you made this flyer, to one, either print it out and hand it out as you door knock, or post it to your social media platforms, LinkedIn, Instagram. You can upload it even to Instagram and do a little more fun customizations to it. But get this flyer out there because the point of this is to promote your listing. So once again, I am so glad that you guys took the time to come and watch this quick tutorial on how to promote your listing with KVCORE. And if you guys want to come back to any saved designs that you've created, you can go to Save Designs in your Design Center and all the designs that you've made will populate there. So this is Coach Corey signing out, and I'm so glad that you guys took the time to come in and watch. Let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions or any suggestions for me to post some new videos. You guys have a great day.